Hey guys, I'm Scythian, and today we're going over how to add, use, and delete tunnels on your Deeper device. This is part of a new user tutorial series where we will go over all the basics of AtomOS. Head to 34.34.34.34 and log into AtomOS. On the left hand side under DPN, select Tunnel. By default, you'll have a few tunnels here, which may not be locations you're interested in. For this tutorial, I have deleted all mine to start fresh. Start by selecting a region. I'll be picking North America. Next, select country, United States for example, and click Add. You'll see active tunnel number of 0 and no active IP. Give it a minute to locate available nodes and refresh the page. Now you'll see we have 5 active tunnels, and it shows the IP of the node it is currently set to connect to. From here, we will head to the Mode tab. Here we can choose what DPN mode we want to use. Full Route will send all your traffic through a selected node, while Smart Route will only send select traffic through the node. More on smart routing in the next tutorial. To delete a tunnel, we will head back to the Tunnel tab and click the checkbox beside the tunnel you wish to delete. Then click the Delete button, and that's it, you've successfully deleted the tunnel. Note, if a tunnel is in use on Smart Route's routing table, it will not allow you to delete the tunnel. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, I'm Scythian, and I'll see you in the next video.